Hi Zooshits, I'm Kitty from Zooshii, and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon Arctic wolf from Animal Jam done in a Zooshii style. Now this is a fan request, so let's get started. So first up, what we do is we draw an oval, like that, and then just kind of off to the side of that one, we draw almost a kind of a larger egg shape. And then another oval, and then another smaller oval, just slightly angled up the side there. And then at the back, to start the legs, we draw another oval, and then a smaller one coming out from that, and then an elongated oval coming down, and then another oval just at the bottom to form the paw. And then we do the same on the side, so again an oval there, another oval coming down, then another oval like that on that side with a bigger oval at the bottom for the paw. So we just want to do the legs at the front as well, so we draw another oval there, then an elongated oval coming down, and then another oval just like that. Just want to take that oval there out slightly. So we draw another oval just at the end of that one, another oval there, another oval coming down like that, and then another one in for the paw. Cool. So then we'll go back and just add in the facial features. So just add another elongated oval coming up from that side. Then we just take it up and join it onto that first oval there like that. Just bring that down into a point there. Then almost like a triangle shape across there to form the nose. Then we bring a line back and up to form the eye socket, and then another line there to form the eyebrow. And we just bring that down and add a circle with a little bit of another circle in there for the eye itself. And then we carry that line up, just add more of a bump at the top of the head on that side, and then bring that down across the other side of that oval. And then from here we bring that out almost to meet, but then we bring that down slightly curved into a wave type line there. Then using this egg shape as a guide, I'm just going to do the fur around the neck. Just bring that down and then wave the fur up and then around and up again. And then we're going to add more texture by adding another wave shape in there, so just wave it up 1, 2, 3, and then just connect it back to that original egg shape there. Cool. Then we'll draw the leg itself, so we just use those ovals as a guide and bring it down into the paw and around, and then we just add another little layer of line there, and then add 1, 2 lines for the toes. Just bring the oval up, and then again just using these ovals as a guide, we'll draw the other leg and another line there to show depth in the paw like that. And then for the back we just bring a line down to join those ovals and add a little curve there, bring it down into that leg, and then use these ovals as a guide for that back leg. that, and then we add another line there for the paw, and then 1, 2 for the toes. And then with the tummy of the Arctic wolf, we come down and then join back into that oval there. And then again, just using these ovals as a guide for that back leg. And then do 1, 2 lines for the paw. Now back to the face. So just bring like a triangle shape there to join onto the nose to show the texture in the fur, and then we do like a spiral for the nostrils. Then we draw an oval as a guide for the eye socket, then another oval within that, and then again another oval there. So we bring this line up and connect it onto that first one, and bring it down, and then join another line just out to the side, just like that. And then with that second one, just move that oval more into a point at the bottom. And then again with this one, which we'll make into the eye. And just add another line across the top for eyelashes. And then we'll draw a circle for the eye itself, and then a circle for the highlight. Just fix that one up there. Cool, and then we'll add a wave texture for a wave line for some texture in the fur at the top. And then for the ears, just draw some triangles, slightly rounded at the sides. There and there, and then a line down with a little circle. It's a bit out of the ear. And then again on the side, slightly skinnier, triangle, and then bring a line down. And then for the tail, just kind of swish a line up, just like that. And then bring it down, make it really full tail, really bushy tail, just like that. We just want to add some wave texture, so we take it up to about there and then just wave it up with a line. And then again on the side, just take that line out and then wave it back up into the tail, and again here like that, and then just have that there for that bit of the tail. Next, what we do is we just grab our black pens and go back in and ink in the pencil lines. Then we just go back in and thicken up the main parts of the illustration to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. Then we just go back in and rub out the pencil lines. So there you have it, a cartoon Arctic wolf from Animal Jam done in a zooshii style. Happy drawing!